case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The high-profile LaRocque divorce case in 1987, which reached the Wisconsin Supreme Court, challenged the judicial process of maintenance awards and property division in divorce proceedings. This case centered around Rosalie LaRocque, entitled to a maintenance post-divorce from her ex-husband, Daniel LaRocque. Originally, the circuit court granted Daniel a divorce from Rosalie, dividing the property between the pair and awarding Rosalie limited maintenance payments over an 18-month period. The allowance was determined based on her potential earning capacity as a teacher. The Court of Appeals upheld the maintenance amount but dissented on its duration, suggesting 18 months was insufficient, leading to a Supreme Court appeal. Upon review, the Wisconsin Supreme Court discovered the circuit court had committed a grave oversight by failing to consider essential factors established by legislature and objectives of maintenance. This resulted in a considerable imbalance in post-divorce incomes of the two parties. Consequently, the Supreme Court sent the case back to the circuit court for a comprehensive reconsideration while adhering to the principles of the law. Each party's education, earning capacity, and potential for self-sustenance were deemed essential considerations while determining a maintenance award. The court laid emphatic stress on the need to reflect the lifestyle the parties relished in pre-divorce and compensate a spouse for their sacrifices made toward the progression of the other spouse's career or education. The Supreme Court partially upheld and overruled the Court of Appeals' judgment on maintenance duration and amount. However, it repealed the circuit court's order on modifying maintenance and attorney fees, stating that such decisions were at the circuit court's discretion. Post the Supreme Court ruling, the case was remanded to the circuit court for further proceedings in sync with this newly established directive. The case gained attention when one of the judges abstained from the decision, bringing the pivotal case to a partial but definitive close.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.